Hello everyone. We have another bug. Hopefully this is the last one, but we'll see how that goes. And I am just going to go over how to fix it. So somebody discovered that if you spam the repeat key, so R, and the play button, you can end up with multiple sets of pieces at the same time, which makes the game unwinnable. And then you also get some really interesting um, behaviors with what can move and what doesn't move. So definitely not ideal at all. So to fix it, we're going to start by adding a new global variable to determine whether you can reload the game or not. All right, and I'm just going to paste the code to save a little bit of time. So I'm adding a new global variable called can restart. It's a Boolean, so either true or false. And we're starting with false so that when the game first starts, you can't reload because nothing's loaded yet. So we don't want anything to load at this stage. Next up, in our restart, we're going to add a condition that determines if the level can actually load when we try to restart. All right, so I'm going to add another if statement right here. And so just saying if can restart is the same as saying if can restart equals true. And then I just need to tab load level over. And so if this variable is actually true, then the level can load. Now, when it comes to loading the level, so once the level is loading, we want to make sure that you can't just keep spamming restart. So we're setting can restart to false. All right, and then at the very end of deferred load level, after the child has been added to the scene tree for the new level, we're just setting can restart back to true, so that at this point the level's loaded successfully. Now you can actually restart again. So if I preview and try to spam restart when I press play, I cannot actually trigger that bug anymore. So now this should be all set.